Brittney Griner was back in a Russian courtroom today, continuing her drawn-out trial on drug charges. The hearing only lasted 40 minutes, and what turned out to be the most meaningful moment was Griner's message for her wife. She held up a clear plastic envelope with photos of Sherelle Griner inside. The 31-year-old two-time Olympic gold medalist had this to say when she spoke to an ABC producer in Moscow.
Do you want to say something to Sherelle?
Good luck on the bar exam.
How do you feel? Do you have any complaints?
No complaints. Waiting patiently.
To help us understand what's happening and what will happen next, William Pomeranz, the acting director of the Wilson Center Kennan Institute. He joins us now. Thank you so much for joining us. So court resumes for Griner tomorrow. Do you think that her trial will play out in full before Russia comes to the table with any real prisoner swap proposal or deal for release?
Yes, there will not be a prisoner release until the trial is over, and that means that the trial will have to end essentially with conviction, because it's not going to be any other result.
And really, nearly all of the cases in Russia do end in conviction. Is that right?
Yes.
Griner pleaded guilty to the drug charges against her. If she's already pleaded guilty, what is her legal team hoping to prove?
I think they're trying to prove some sort of get some sort of leniency in the sentence, and I think the team is also trying to prove that there was a medicinal value or purpose for her having these cartridges. So I think they're just trying to get some sort of extenuating circumstances before the judge to see if that can make a difference.
And Brittney Griner is expected to testify tomorrow. What do you think that we might hear from her?
I'm not quite sure what she's going to say. I think she's going to basically kind of say what she's been saying in the interview that you had before, that she's patient, that she's ready to kind of deal with the Russian legal system, whatever its results happen, and that she will abide by the decision. I think that's what her legal team has been trying to put forward, and I think that's what she will do when she testifies.
If she is convicted, she faces up to 10 years in prison with the right to appeal. The U.S. Department of State has classified her case as wrongfully detained. If she receives that maximum sentence, what can the United States do at that point to bring her home?
Very little. It will become a diplomatic discussion, and it will only be through diplomatic negotiations that Brittney can come home. And that will be a very tough assignment, especially during these times when Russia and the United States are really not talking.
What would those negotiations look like? We've seen that end with some modicum of success a few months ago.
It will require a long negotiation process. I do not believe that it will be a quick process. I think the United States has complicated the negotiations by not only wanting to get Brittney Griner home, but also Paul Whelan. And so it will mean that they will have to basically have two people and two exchanges, and that will be a very difficult circumstances going forward.
All right, William Pomeranz, our thanks to you. Really appreciate your time and insight.
My pleasure.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.